Mastering DAX or data analysis expressions functions is essential for creating powerful and dynamic calculations in Power BI. DAX allow you to perform complex data manipulations and analyses with ease. DAX is a versatile and robust language that provides the tools to build sophisticated measures and calculated columns. By understanding how to use these functions effectively, you can unlock new insights from your data and create more interactive and informative reports. Start by familiarizing yourself with the syntax and basic usage of key DAX functions. Then experiment with combining them to solve complex analytical challenges. If you enjoyed this tip, please subscribe and share this video to help others master DAX and Power BI.